Alright, in the last video I mentioned that I would show you guys how to make a realistic flag in Blender, so that's what I'm going to do here today. So as you see, I already imported my image that I will be using as my flag, and to do that, all you have to do is go into Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, then you want to type in Import, and then look for Import Images as Planes, and make sure that's selected. And after that, you can hit Shift A, go to Image as Planes, and then find your image to wherever you put it. You can use any image you want. If you just like something you found off Google, just save it to your laptop computer, and then save it to a place you would know, and then go in there, Image as Planes, and then just select it off your computer. Now, as you see, I got creative, and I decided to use a photo of Mitski. So after that, what we want to do is you want to select it, go into physics, and make sure you add a cloth physics. Then after that, you want to go to edit mode, and then I already subdivided mine, but if you didn't already, you want to go to object mode, select it, edit mode, and as it's selected, you just want to hit right click and hit subdivide. Now it's going to come up, and then you want to put 20, 30 works. The higher you go, the more your laptop or computer will lag. Just be cautious of what number you do use, but for mine I use 20. Alright, and after that, what you want to do is you want to select what you are pinning your image to, and I'm pinning it to the flagpole, so I'm just going to take this part of the flag and select it. Go back to object mode. Sorry, don't go back to object mode, stay in edit mode. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. But select the side again, because I'm a goofball. And then you want to go to data, assign groups, and make a new one. And you want to hit assign. That's going to assign this to stay where the pole is, so it will act as a anchor. Then after that, just want to go to object mode, and then we want to go back into physics mode, physics tab, I meant. A little bit tired. Then you want to go to shape, pin group, and then pin that group. That's going to make it so it actually is anchored down, so that when we play the 2D animation to get the waves, it's going to stay. See, it's not moving at all. Alright, then after that, what you want to do is you want to shade smooth. Then you want to go into, 1 second. You want to go back into physics. Then you want to go all the way down to collisions. And make sure you have object collisions so that the flag doesn't clip through itself. Alright, and to make the wave effect, what you want to do is you want to go to Shift A, then go into force field, and then add a wind. Now, we just want to face the wind to where we want it, the flag to blow towards. Let's do something like that. Make sure that's not lined up at all. Something like that. Rotate it to how you would like. Not backwards. It's not even facing the flag. I'm a mess right now. But either way, there we are. And then you just want to change it to about 1500. If you don't want the flag as wavy, I wouldn't put it as high. But then if you go into 2D animations and then play it, it's going to be waving. Now, you just want to pause it on the frame that you like. As you can see, I didn't really like this one. So let me go change my wind real quick. To go back, just remember Control Z. Let me just adjust it real quick. $1,500. Go back to 2D animations. Have it play, and it's kind of clipping through my avatar right now, so let's not go with that one. Have it more blow towards the side. That'll do it, I think. And then we play it again. Alright, I don't think Mitsuki was the right choice for this because she looks very distorted right now. I'm very sorry if you're a Mitsuki fan. But there you go. And that is how you make a realistic flag in Blender. This was a short video. I just want to get it out before I go to bed tonight. And if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe. I feel like basic saying that, but what can you do? Anyway, have a nice day.